And now to a story you will only see here tonight, asking for accountability. The families of dozens of Illinois veterans say the state has not done enough to resolve a lengthy legal battle.
This all stems from the deaths of their loved ones who died at a VA facility during the COVID-19 pandemic. Casey Cronus live downtown tonight with the latest developments. Casey.
Don and Scott, the families tell me with legal proceedings tied up for the last 2 years, they still don't have closure and hope that a judge's recent ruling will change that.
It's hard. It's hard that he's got robbed of the rest of the years that he had.
Richard Sheshke, who served in the Korean War, is one of 36 veterans who died when COVID swept through the LaSalle Veterans Home in 2020.
You know, it's been some time now. You know, everyone sort of forgot about it. Well, we didn't. It's frustrating that no one's taking responsibility for what happened.
Lindsay Lamb and her loved ones are among 32 families suing several medical officials working at the Illinois Department of Veterans Affairs during the pandemic. There has been little movement in court, but now those lawsuits may finally move forward. A judge last month denied the defendants' request to move the cases into the Court of Claims. And just this week, the last of the amended lawsuits were filed.
If necessary, they will be tried in front of the citizens of that county. If the state does not step up and resolve these cases, we will be fully prepared to try every single one of them.
In the months following the deaths, an inspector general launched an investigation and issued a 50-page report finding that health and safety protocols were ignored, citing a failure of leadership.
The inspector general's report scathing. Again, we had put our trust in LaSalle.
John Lundquist's father, Richard, a Navy veteran, also died during the outbreak. So did Mary Beth Shomas's father, Bernard, who served in World War II.
The state of Illinois did not do what was best for the veterans, and now they are not doing what's best for the families so that we can all move on.
Their attorney did not disclose how much in damages they are asking for. Their next court date is in June. The VA did not return our request for comment. The governor's office said they cannot comment on pending litigation. We got the same response from the lawyers representing the defendants. Reporting live downtown, Casey Cronus, Fox 32, Chicago.